Hello everyone. Many of us have heard many misconceptions regarding homeopathy that it works slow, that it doesn't show any objective evidence, also that it doesn't cure in acute severe conditions alone without the help of other system of medicine. I'm Dr. Pratyusha, pursuing my MD in Mathemedica in ML Dhanvel Institute. Today, I'm here to take you through a journey of an evidence-based homeopathy in action, a case of pneumonia. A 79-year-old lady with already known case of osteoarthritis and hypertension also had history of frequent infections. She came to us with what appeared simple, that is sore throat, cough, and mild weakness. Within few days, it turned severe. That is, her cough complaints have increased with productive expectoration, and soon her breathlessness has started, and pain in the chest was presented with fever also, and on examination, we found out a rhonchi on bilateral lower lobes with SpO2 being dropped to 92%. We have gone for further investigations where we have found her WBC count to be 16,200 and her CRP being raised to 102, which clearly indicates a severe infection. On chest X-ray, we have found a pneumonic patch. So we have clinically diagnosed it as pneumonia. Pneumonia sounds very simple nowadays while we are dealing with complex disease conditions, whereas pneumonia can turn really fatal, especially in case of children and elderly people. In a 79-year presenting with such distress along with her comorbidities, how will we handle this case is the question which pops up in every physician's mind. So we proceeded with admission, and on close observation, we have noted that her complaints being aggravated at 3 am particularly, and the sticky expectoration being observed. She was prescribed with Calica 0/1 potency according to her susceptibility, and also along with oxygen therapy was provided. After that, within 24 hours, we noted a very remarkable change in her cough complaints. And later, on the day itself, she has felt that breathing became easy. And following the day, we have noted the oxygen level being improved and the oxygen support being reduced to her. And within next 3 to 4 days, she was almost completely better with all her complaints. And on fifth day, she was discharged. And the most important thing in this particular case is that what we have observed in her blood reports, that is her infection being reduced. Her CRP level had dropped from 102, which was initially, and to 48, and then to 19 within these 2 to 3 days, and her WBC count being reduced from 16,000 to 10,000. So it is not just relief; it is a measurable healing. Many of us become skeptical in managing such conditions, whereas this case has been treated purely under homeopathy, which has already we have seen through evidence. Importantly, in this particular case, the confidence of the patient, that is, as she was already aware of the effectiveness of homeopathy, and which has helped a lot in this case. Honestly speaking, even I was a bit uncertain in handling this case, but the mutual trust and confidence between the physician and the patient and the belief in the system had made me help witness such wonderful journey. So I would like to thank ML Dawle Institute for this great learning